Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing of quite a few cubes. And I got all of these from The Cubicle. I'll put a link to their website in the description. But let's get started with what we got today. And hopefully they all made it here alright. Lots of packaging here. Let's just start with this one. Let's angle that down. There we go. So this will just be unboxing and first impressions. So this is the 2x2 gear cube. Yeah, so let's check this out, see how it turns. Ooh, that actually turns really, really nice. And I think this actually, yeah, comes apart. So you can turn it individually, just the one side. Not 100% sure how this cube works yet, but yeah, so we'll play with that some more, but that's a super cool cube. Throw that on the floor. See what else we got. I know I got two gear cubes in here. Let's see if we can find the other gear cube. That must be it right there. Yeah. So I also got a 3x3 gear cube. I'm super excited about this one. So, kind of the same idea. The 2x2 one actually turns a lot better than this one, but this is a super cool cube. This will be a lot of fun to try and learn how to do. That's cool. It doesn't turn quite as nice as the 2x2, but might just need a little bit of lube. It's pretty nice though. That'll be a lot of fun. So that's 2 out of 13. This is a brand new cube. The Cubicle was just advertising it not too long ago. This one, and it's very similar to the multi-cube, but the multi-cube has another cube inside this, so it's like just slightly different. Yeah, it doesn't look like the centers really change. It looks like the centers stay with their centerpieces. So I wonder if that solves just like the normal cube. To mix that up and give that a try today too. I do not know which one this is. I wonder if they put an extra cube in here. Oh no, this is the other cube I got. So this is the Master Cube. So I'm guessing this will solve pretty much exactly like the multi-cube. Does not turn super well. A lot of stuff on it. But yeah, it turns about like a Rubik's brand cube, but I think it'll still be fun. It'll probably loosen up as you solve it. It does seem like it's well made though. So that's the Master's Cube. And this, I got the Petal Cube. And this one is magnetic as well. That pops in really nice, like almost, yeah, it pulls itself. Those are just really strong magnets. Yeah, I like this a lot. This feels like it's a really high quality puzzle. So far, these two are the best. And this one here has got like a textured sticker on it. I don't know if you can see that. This actually makes it really, really nice to hold on to. Yeah, so these two are the best so far. I also got the Little Magic 2x2. This is also a magnetic cube because the 2x2 I have was not great. Oh, that feels so much better. That is nice. Yeah, you can feel the magnets in that. Yeah, that is nice. I like that a lot. Do some solves with that one. Yeah, don't buy Rubik's brand cubes. They're expensive and not great. And you'll just end up replacing them later. If you actually like Rubik's cubes and get into it, you'll end up replacing them later. This is the Petal Cube. And this was really cheap. It was like $5. But it actually, for a $5 cube, it's still better than a Rubik's brand cube. That'll be fun. It actually, I was a little worried because the last time I got some cheap cubes, they were super slippery, but this one, since it's the carbon fiber, it's not very hard to hang on to at all. It's got a nice texture on it, but it's a good grip. That one will be fun. And that's gonna solve just like a 3x3. You just gotta put the colors in the right spot. Alright, let's see what else we got here. I believe this is the Little Magic 4x4. Yeah. Another Rubik's brand cube I was replacing. This is a magnetic 4x4. It turns way better than the Rubik's Cube one. It does feel really dry though. I'm wondering if that'll get better over time. But it wasn't very expensive either, and I just wanted something that was better than the Rubik's brand one, because the Rubik's brand one sucks. Yeah, I like that a lot. A lot better. That'll be a lot more fun to solve. I wish I hadn't already done my 4x4 tutorial, because this one here would be way better for it. Doesn't feel like it's falling apart on me, catching all over the place. Ugh. Quite a few cubes today. Some big unboxing. Not sure which one this is. Oh, this is the Tuna cube. If you want, I can put links to all these cubes in the description as well, but they're all on the cubicle. So I'll probably just put a link to the cubicle, and you can find these cubes on there. Their website's set up really well. This one is super slippery. The mechanism feels really cheap, but I think it'll still be a fun one to solve. It's not like this is something you're going to solve a lot, and it was like $5 as well. I like getting cheap cubes just because some that are just fun to have, and some that are like ones that you'll solve all the time. Like you'll solve the 2x2 a lot. You'll solve something like this probably more often, which I'm a little disappointed that this turns like a Rubik's brand cube. But this here, this is something I'm probably not going to solve that often, but it'll be fun to have. Yeah, and that feels really, really dry. But kind of a cool cube. I think that'll be fun. Oh, this is the square one. So this is the X-Volt magnetic square one. And I got the one with the black side instead of yellow, because why not? Black, way better. and even get it open. Yeah, I do not like the square one cube that I have. I got it in a 4-pack, and it just isn't enjoyable. Oh, that's so much nicer. The magnets are not super strong, but they do help a lot. As you can see, it catches right there a little bit. I like that it's black. That'll make. I'm still learning this cube, but I did not like the one I have, so this one here will make learning a lot more fun. Yeah, and it wasn't really that expensive. I think it was like $12. And yeah, you can see the slice in there. See the internal pieces. Let me grab my other one. I'll show you. So, this is the one that I have, which it's not horrible. It's not great. This one's a lot better. Let's see if the colors are the same. And they are. Sometimes they put the colors in a different order. Yeah, that's a lot nicer. And I'm gonna be busy. This is another 4x4. I believe, let's see which one is this. Because I got a Windmill 4x4 and I got a Fisher 4x4. This is the Fisher 4x4. You know when they come in this extra little bit of plastic, they're usually a nicer cube. Generally speaking. Ooh. Sorry about that. That actually turns really nice. It's a little greasy actually. I bet they lubed it up. That is a little greasy. But I got a 4x4 axis cube not too long ago, and the first time I did it, it fell apart on me because I didn't really know what I was doing. I got it back together, but I haven't attempted it again because I wanted to learn some other shape mod 4x4s first, just to kind of get my mind in kind of that zone. So this one here will be a really good one for that. Yeah, that's lubed up really nice. Yeah, that is it's a good cube. I don't think any of these are magnetic. It's a nice cube though. The colors, I like the darker green, honestly, and the darker blue. But for the most part, really nice, really nice cube. One of these days I'll do a video of my entire collection because I've got quite a few cubes now. I think this will put me at around 42 cubes. Yeah, so this will be the Windmill version of the 4x4, which I have a couple Windmill 3x3s. I don't like it when they put pink on the cube either. I prefer the red, honestly. I didn't realize that this one had pink on it until after I'd already ordered it. Probably would not have bought it if I knew it had pink. So I already have two other cubes with pink instead of red, and I don't like that as much. Yeah, I think it makes it look cheaper. But there's the 4x4. This was actually it's about the same weight. These are the same brand. It's also a little bit greasy. It turns nicer than that one. Does not feel dry at all, but I think it's because they lubed it up. How many we at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Depth perception is not a thing looking through the camera. And 12, so we got one more in the box. This one here is also magnetic. Super excited about this cube, actually. So this one is just a corners version of the Mega Minx. I think it's called the Kilo Minx, but I could be wrong. Really excited about this one. Oh, that actually turns really nice. This is also magnetic. And this is made by, I don't know, Maylong, I believe. There's not a lot of good Kilo Minxes on the market. I really like that they didn't color these centerpieces, because it's a 2x2. Like, it shouldn't have centerpieces. You should be able to go anywhere. So that actually is really nice that they didn't color those pieces, and it turns really well. The greens do have a very similar color, but I like that a lot. So that is it. Got 13 new cubes, and I look forward to making some videos with these. So we'll do more tutorials. Probably do the 7x7 next week. I know I've been away from the tutorials for a couple of weeks. Last week we did the time lapse, and this week we're doing unboxing some new cubes. So we'll probably do 7x7 next week, and then likely I might do another time lapse, but we'll do bigger. Maybe we'll do 38 cubes instead of 24. Maybe we'll do 35. We'll see. We'll see what we end up doing, but I think I want to do a bigger time lapse and see if I can beat the time on the other one. And I like this cube a lot. Seriously though, I think out of all of these new cubes, this one might be my favorite. It just turns really nice. And this one here was like a last minute decision too. I was getting ready to order and I was like, oh, I should look at the gear cubes. And I just threw this one in my cart at last minute, and I really think this might be my favorite cube out of this order. How long before it comes back to sync? May have just messed it up and might have to. Oh no, there it goes. You gotta turn it a lot of times to get back to correct, but that is really cool. So I think it's supposed to only spin. Maybe it goes this way. It still spins all the pieces, huh? Maybe it doesn't once it's mixed up. I don't know. I don't know why it would pull apart and then still spin every piece. But we'll work on that later. Yeah, that is a cool cube. It's designed really well. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out all the new cubes, and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.